just to make this fit perfectly so I can just use the router, you know?
Do what with the router?
Like cut it with like an 1/8 inch and then just flush trim it with the router.
I mean, when you cut it out in the crucible.
Yeah. It looks pretty good. I think I either need to take some off these back corners here where we touch the knees, or just trim this front edge. I think I might take it off the back though, because it looks pretty good. The sides are clear. We definitely need to take some off because we need a gap for fiberglass. We need at least like a 1/4 inch gap maybe. That's how we looking. Far from done. Definitely far from done. But it's definitely a good start. So, yep. It's looking good, it's looking good. I wish I could walk on it right now, but it's barely holding itself up. Nice, 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 nice. Alright. I'm gonna just do a quick round with the router on this floor panel to get the radius, and then got a couple other things to do to it afterwards. Nice straight edge, a nice smooth radius. That should be perfect. Almost finished that cut without pressing record. Gonna be one support for our floor panel. I gotta set up two more cuts off of this. The first one was 3 inches. These other two is gonna be 2 inches, and you'll see when we're up to this. floor. This will be nice and strong once it's glassed up. And this is a water dam and its support. That's going to make that back edge very stiff and rigid. Well, would you look at that? I wonder if it's strong enough to be stood on right now. It's in place. Everything that needs to be on it is on it, with the exception to the fiberglass, of course. And it's very flexible right now. It needs a lot of reinforcements and support, but that is exciting to see, to say the least. Decided that we're going to cut a strip off the back of this that's going to be permanently glassed into the boat as a part of the floor, and then this will be the other piece will be open and closing hatch. So I got here 5 inches, I think, 3.5 plus 1.5, 5 inches. Plus another 1.5 inches on the saw, so 6.5 inches, and we're going to cut it right there, and that'll be our floor panel going across. Alrighty.